Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ina Pandora here. If you're new, welcome to the fam. Today we're going to be reviewing and trying it on a colored contact lenses, and this specifically I got them with the Vision Marketplace. They have a variety of brands, so they have a huge assortment of colored and also prescription lenses. They also have in store not just different brands of the contact lenses such as Senso, Adori, Solatica, Solico, Bella. They also have colored contact lenses, clear contact lenses accessories, eyeglasses, sunglasses, and also eyelashes. However, my attention caught the contact lenses since I have brown eyes and I love changing things around, as you can tell, with hair and everything else. I've had some disappointment in the past with colored contact lenses. They were either too foggy for me, or the color payoff was not there, or uncomfortable. So when I saw a huge variety of brands on their website, I reached out and they were pretty excited to send me a pair for me to try it out and see if I like it. The one that caught my attention were the Sepia Grey from the Aquarella I hope I'm saying it right. The Aquarella series from Solatica. Okay guys, so holy cow, this is not what I expected. I was wondering, why is it so long? So this is it's 1 day use, and I got 5 pairs. 5 pairs of them, guys. This is so cool. And this is how they look up close in the package. They look very thin and comfortable. I'll pop them in and I'll be right back. Wow. Take a look, guys. What a flippin' difference. This is so cool. I love it. It's a very natural color. I mean, seriously, I'm trying to look myself in the mirror and I'm like, holy guacamole. This is so cool. All right, Vision Marketplace. I love it. Take a look. I'll come a little closer. What a huge difference. Oh my God. Do you guys see that? This is so amazing. I am shook. I love it. What you guys think? Completely changed it. Wow. I am, whew. All right. I need some air. This is so cool. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to try any other colors that they have. But so far, I'm like, ooh, this is a keeper. I'm keeping it. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I can't get enough. I can't get enough of it. This is so cool. I love it. I don't feel it anymore. Like, this is literally, I see everything clear. My biggest concern was, will I be able to see? Can I drive while wearing it? Can I wear it for a longer period of time? Is it comfortable? Because the ones that I had before, let me tell you, it was blurring my vision. It was not very comfortable. This is so pretty and it's so comfortable. I do not feel them at all. This is so nice. I love it. And the exciting news is, if you guys want to get yourself a pair, I have a coupon code for you, and just use Pandora at the checkout and that will save you 10% off your order. But if you want to order this one in specific, I'll have it listed in the description box, the link directly to this one. But they have various brands. They have so many. There's nothing else really to say because they speak for themselves. So I'm really excited for these ones. Thank you so much, Vision Marketplace, for sending these ones my way. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.